how to set the camera to record stereo sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Camera. Next, scroll down and tap on Record Sound. And here, select Stereo. And that's it. So now we have set the camera to record stereo sound. The stereo sound feature on the iPhone 16 enhances the audio quality of your videos by recording sound from multiple microphones. So here is how it works. The iPhone 16 has multiple microphones strategically placed around the device. The stereo sound leverages these microphones to capture a more immersive and realistic audio experience. The microphone can detect the direction of sound, creating a sense of depth and separation. So here I will start up the camera, and when we record video, it will record sound using multiple microphones around the device. Stereo sound can also help reduce background noise, making your videos sound clearer and more focused. By enabling stereo sound, you can improve the overall audio quality of your iPhone 16, making them more engaging and more enjoyable to watch the videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.